Hello everybody, Jordan here. Just a quick little video to show you something new for our course. Now everyone's kind of getting in and getting logged on. That's awesome. Loving the discussion so far too, guys. I'm really excited about this term, and I think you guys are going to do an amazing job this term. What I want to show you is how we can access the e-textbook. Not really a requirement at all, but some people like having their textbook. This textbook is like, okay, it's not the greatest book ever written, but again, if you're a person who likes textbooks and you want a copy, here's how you do it. We're going to go under Content in D2L, or Brightspace, sorry, that's the new name. And you can see I put a new link in right here for the e-textbook. So you just kind of click that, and you'll see right here, Thinking Successfully About Math. That is our e-textbook. Click that link. Now you're going to need Flash Player. If you don't already have Flash, you can just go ahead and install that. It should work and pop right up. If you have any tech issues, just let me know. I'll be happy to help you. And we can see here is our textbook. You can kind of scroll down. You can click on any link. So if I wanted to learn about triangles, I'll just click there and it takes me to the section about triangles. A couple of little features that you might be interested in checking out. There's a search feature right here. So if you just click that little button, it can take you to the search, but you have to turn it off again. So you can see I can turn on a bunch of stuff here, but you got to turn it off when you're done. The table of contents is this little button right here underneath the home symbol. And here we can go through every module. Now this is a custom textbook, so the modules aren't really, they're just listed as module 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like so, for example, module 2 is fractions. You have to click on that to go to that section. But when you get there, you can just click on fractions and it takes us right there. Okay? So that's a couple of kind of key features. Now you can use the e-text just in Brightspace like this. That's totally fine. You cannot use it at all. That's totally fine too. Just get into My Math Lab and rock out if you want. But also, if you click the home button, this takes us to what's called the bookshelf. Now this is by another company. It's called VitalSource. They actually kind of are the platform for our e-text. So Pearson makes My Math Lab and it makes the e-text, right? They're the publisher, and VitalSource is kind of the platform for all of this stuff. So if you wanted to, you can go to the bookshelf and you can search by title, right? So here's all the books I have here. And you can also download the Bookshelf app if you want. It looks like that. You can just search it on Google Play or the App Store. You feel free to download that and go through and set that up. Because if you download the app, you can literally download the book, I think, to 2 devices, and you have lifetime access to those books. So even if you get a new phone next year, you can just go in, download the app on your new phone, delete the book, delete one copy of it, and you can re-download it again if you guys want to have, your Math Foundations textbook forever. So that's how you can kind of go through right there. If you click this little grid icon right here, you can download, there's the app VitalSource, you can download the desktop app, you can go to the store if you want. That's kind of how you do that as well. There's also a little profile button here, which you can, give them as much information as you feel comfortable doing as well. Okay, so that's just a little bit on your e-text. Again, guys, your e-text is not a big deal. It's not something that you need to necessarily read or work through. Some people like having it, so it's right there. But again, I'll just remind you all that most of the time we're going to be under the student links section, and you can just basically click on any of these. I got to clean these up anyway, but we're going to be under kind of all assignments, and you'll be working in here doing your homework and doing all that stuff. Okay, so everyone's doing awesome so far. Make sure you get into My Math Lab and be working here as much as you can. And if you have any questions at all, let me know, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.